So here we have log s base 3 plus log 3 base s is equals to 10 over 3. Find x. Anytime you see almost duplicate terms like this, so you should use change of base. That is from log a base b is equals to 1 over log b base a. So take note of the law. So this is change of base. So that means I can change any of this. So using change of base. So if it is the first one, so I'll have 1 over log 3 base s. That means log s base 3 is the same thing as 1 over 3, 1 over log 3 base s. Just like log a base b is equals to 1 over log b base a. That is change of base. So I remember this law again. Log a base b is equal to log a divided by log b. So if you know this law, that means 1 over log 3 base s is the same thing as 1 divided by log 3 divided by log s. So 1 divided by log s divided by log 3. So if I change the division, so that means times will go up, log s will go up, log 3 will come down if I change division to multiplication. So like that. So using this change of base, so you have log s divided by log 3, which is the same thing as log s base 3. So if you go back with the law, so like that. So but remember this law, change of base. So again, log s base 3 plus log 3 base s is equals to 10 over 3. So from log a base b equals 1 over log b base a. That means I can now change log s base 3 to 1 over log 3 base s. Then plus log 3 base s is equals to 10 over 3. So see the usefulness now. You will notice that we now have log 3 base s, log 3 base s. So you can say let log 3 base s equals to h, or any alphabet you like. So this will becomes 1 over h. So remember, log 3 base s is now h. So that will be 1 over h plus h over 1 is equals to 10 over 3. So if you have any equation in form of fraction like this, instead of finding LCM and cross multiply, you can find LCM of everything and multiply each by the LCM. The method will just give you a linear equation straight. What is the LCM of everything? H, 1 and 3. So everything is 3h. That is h times 1 h, h times 3 3h. Now multiply each by 3h, as in h by 3h. So if you find the LCM of everything, then you will notice now that this will cancel. This will remain 3 plus 3h square equals 3 will cancel 10h. So you can see I'll just get a linear equation straight. So but because we have power 2 here, this is quadratic equation. So we have 3h square minus 10h plus 3 equals 0. So I'm bringing this h inside. So I believe everybody here can solve quadratic equation. So that is why you guys are here separately. So now from this quadratic, so you can now solve using any method. Now when I was doing quadratic equation, I used a fast method, that is the 2 times is always your final answer. So but now let us just factorize. So this will becomes 3h square minus 9h minus h plus 3 equals 0. So bracket it to 3h square minus 9h then minus h minus 3 equals 0. So you will notice a change of sign because of bracket. So what is common in this bracket? 3h is common. I'm doing this because I believe you can solve quadratic, so that's why I'm solving straight. So 3h to h minus 3 minus 1 into h minus 3 equals 0. So we have h minus 3, 3h minus 1 equals 0. So h minus 3 equals 0, or 3h minus 1 equals 0. So h equals 3, or 3h equals 1. So h equals 3, or h is equals to 1 over 3. So that recall that log x log 3 base s, from beginning. Recall that log 3 base s is equals to, what do I represent at first? So log 3 base s is equals to h. Remember this part, or is s base log x base 3. Let me check what I use. What I use is log x base 3. So remember from beginning we said let's log s, we have log x base 3 plus log 3 base s, do you remember, equals 10 over 3, and I change this one to 1 over log 3 base s. So I now say let log 3 base s to be equals to h. I just want to record that part so you can see. So let's log 3 base s is equals to h. Now we know that h is 3, so that means log 3 base s is equals to 3. So there is another law you are going to apply here. There is another law of logarithm there. This law, if log s base y is equals to a, then s is equals to y raised to power a. That is, anything you have here, anything you have there will be equals to anything you have here will carry this one as power. So that's another law of logarithm. So that means from here now we have 3 is equals to s raised to power 3. So how can you remove this power? Multiply both powers by 1 over 3. So this is s raised to power 3 times 1 over 3, so that we can clear this. So s is equals to cube root of 3, because 3 raised by 1 over 3 is cube root. So again, log 3 base s is equals to 1 over 3. Remember h is 3 or h is 1 over 3. So we put 3 first. So now the second one. So 3 will be equals to s raised to power 1 over 3. Anything you have here will be equals to this. We carry this number as power, like that. So how can you clear this 3? So multiply both powers by 3. So this will be 3 raised to power 3 equals s raised to power 1 over 3 times 3. So 3 raised to power 3 is 27. So this will cancel. That's x. So we got two answers for x now. So that means x is equals to 27, or s is equals to cube root of 3. So that's the final answer.